with another one.
Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to unlock your fold mirror option in your BMW 2023. Alright, let's enter the vehicle. On your center console, press the start button. On the main screen, touch the app button. On the left-hand side, touch the Vehicle Apps button. In the middle of the screen, you should see Doors and Windows. Tap that button. Look for the Lock and Unlock tab. Once you're in the Unlock and Unlock tab, turn on Fold Mirrors on Lock and Unlock. Once it's green, it's enabled. Hit the home button. Let's check it out. Alright guys, with your fold mirror option enabled, take your key fob, hit the lock button, the mirrors fold in, hit the unlock button, the mirrors fold out. Let's get a close-up. And that's how you enable the fold mirror option in your 2023 BMW. This is J.O.A.T.D. and I'm out.